What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your hotspot name so that when you share your internet connection with someone, they can identify you. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go to settings. Mine is right here, but you can also find it by swiping down from the center of your screen like so. Type in settings. Okay, as you can see, the icon appears right there. Just click on that. And now we're going to go to where it says General. Hit right there. And we're going to select the first selection here, About. Okay, and as you can see, the first option is his name. In my case, my name is Virus. Just click on that. And you can change that to whatever you want. So what's going to happen? We're going to go back here. Click About, click General, click Settings. Okay, now as you can see, this just below Cellular, it says Personal Hotspot. Right now, mine is off. I'm gonna click right there. Okay, and if I want to share my hotspot, I'm going to click right here. It is now on, and as you can see, that password for somebody to join my hotspot is Tractor1. Okay, and when they start to search for a hotspot, they're going to see that my name is Virus, as we saw before. So that way they can identify us. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off for now. I'm gonna swipe up from the bottom of my screen so I can go to my home page. And that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can get more helpful tips like these.